Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. When we are bored of eating same routine jawar roti, thali peet, dosa, khichdi, etc., let's prepare a tasty snack that is so flavorful and nutritious. Adding jawar millet in any form to our diet is beneficial. It is packed with micronutrients and vitamins. Jawar flour along with urad flour, besan and all other spices not only adds flavor but also has their own share of nutritive value. These puris make a healthy snack and I am sure you will all enjoy. These puris can be had by themselves or can be complemented with fresh cream, curd, pickle, chutney or Indianized salsa. The Indianized salsa recipe I shall share you in the link in the description box. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Raise a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments. Let's begin. Ingredients required for this puri are jawar flour. I have taken 1 glass, 1 cup, any measurement, 1 cup. Wheat flour, half cup. This is gram flour or besan, 1/4 cup. Urad dal flour, 1/4 cup. In case you don't have urad dal flour, what you can do is instead of using besan and urad dal flour, you can soak around 2 tablespoons of chana dal and 2 tablespoons of urad dal and grind it into paste and add into this. It's up to you. Oil, coriander seeds and cumin seeds, sesame seeds, kalonji, this is ajwain, kasuri methi, salt to taste. Then for grinding masala, you need coriander, green chilies, ginger, garlic, then curry leaves. Take a mixie jar. In that, add these coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Grind this. To this, let's add our green chilies. How much ever spice you want, you can just add ginger, garlic, curry leaves, coriander. We'll grind this to coarse paste, not soft one. We are not going to add water into this. We are just going to crush it. So this is done. Now we'll take a bowl in which we are going to mix all these ingredients. This is jawar atta. I'm going to add wheat flour to this. Besan, urad dal flour, these sesame seeds, kalonji seeds and ajwain. I'm going to add these also to this. We'll add kasuri methi, salt to taste, the masala which we have grinded. Now we shall add a little oil to this. First mix it just like that. We'll start adding little by little hot water. Don't add too much at a time and knead it into a stiff dough. This is done. We'll just smear with little oil and knead it nicely and then keep it aside for few minutes. You may not keep it for too long. Just till our oil gets heated to deep fry, we can just keep it aside. We shall take a small portion and make it round. Now we'll just roll them like small puris. Now we can deep fry these. Now the oil is heated. Now we'll start deep frying these. We are going to fry them till they become little golden brown on both the sides. See, these are puffed up. We are going to fry them on both the sides, flipping them. So this is done. We can transfer this into a plate. Here is our crispy, tasty and nutritious puri recipe, Jawar puri, which is famous in Karnataka, is ready to be relished. This is also called as Jolada Vadi. As you all know, jawar is a superfood and has lot of health benefits. This puri is deep fried but yet is nutritious as a snack. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.